Using an N-size tube wrench, loosen the lug nut. Remove the spindle and running gear from the lower body. Place the mid-body in the vise. Using a pipe wrench or center punch, loosen the upper latch body. If a pipe wrench is used, ensure the jaws are not placed where the latches are in the body weld. Remove the upper assembly bolt, wedge washer, and retracting case spring. Take out assembly rod. Compress latches and remove retracting case. Remove the latch and latch spring from the upper body weldment. Replace the latch and latch spring with the H-size latches and spring. Compress the latches and reinstall the retracting case. Install the rod. Reinstall the assembly bolt wedge washer and retracting case spring. Do not over-tighten. Using a center punch or pipe wrench, loosen the lower body from the mid-body. Remove the P landing shoulder and replace with the H-size landing shoulder. Reinstall the mid-body into the lower body. Thread until bottomed out. Place the mid-body in the vise with lower body facing up. Use a center punch or pipe wrench to tighten the lower body and mid-body together. Remove from the vise. Place the bearing housing in the vise using N-size tube wrench to remove the P inner tube cap. Reposition the spindle into the vise and tighten. Using a wrench, remove the spindle nut. Remove the bearing housing and bearings from the shut-off valve washer. Remove the P shutoff valves and washer. Reinstall the H-size shutoff valve and washers. Reinstall the bearings and bearing housing. Thread the spindle nut onto the spindle. Tighten the stover nut. Be sure not to over-tighten and make sure the bearings move freely. Install the H-inner tube cap. Install the lower body into the spindle. Install the indicator bushing ball. Install the upper latch body into the mid body and tighten all reassembled joints. If pipe wrench is used, ensure jaws are not in contact with the latches that are in the body weldment.